Well, let's continue with 114, the 14th. For 114 to 13/14, because 114 is half of 17, so we can start 114, 314, 514, because the 214 is 17, 414 is 27, 714 is half, we can skip that, so 914, 1114, and 13/14. You notice that you also have 6 fractions over here. Take away the even number and also the 714. Now let's see how we do this. If you remember 17 equal to 0.142857 bar. If I go for 114, because 114 is half of this, half of 17. So half of 14 is 0.7. Half of 28 is 1/4. So I can continue from here with 1/4 continuous. Okay. If I do this continuing, so notice that you can see it better. Half of 57 is 28. I have a 1 here, 1 1. So 11 divided by 2 is 5 with a 14 here. 14 and 5 you got 7 here. And 28 divided by 2 you got 14 again. And you notice that the number repeated after 7, 7, 7. So this part is repeated. So technically you notice that 0.114 is 1071428 continue from 714285. So when I write this down is 0.00 is not repeated, 714285 repeated. And you notice that again they're using the same 6 digit. Now they only have 1 in front is not repeated. In this case you have 7 digit, 6 are repeated for 114. So how are we going to find the first digit here? Very simple. We do this again. We try to write down the number here. Let's write down all the number here. 142857. The one you have, you're going to use it all the time. Now let's look at this here. 314 is 3 times of 114. So take 3 times 7 here. So you got 21.21. So the 5 times 7 you got 35.35. The 9 times 7 you got 63.63. The 11 times 7 is 0.77. 13 times 7, this is very important number, is 91.91. Now remember, I have to have the repeated on the side at the end. And you notice that 1 comes out twice and 7 also comes out twice. So how are we going to solve this here? So in this case, I have 1 here, so I'm using the 1. 7 already used. Done. Cancel that 7. And now 1 is already used, the 1 is gone. So 1, start with 1. Continue with the same order, 142857. So 314 is 0.2. Continuous from 142857, 142857. 35. 35, start with 5, you cancel the 5. So 5 is the same thing. Start with 571428 and continuous. Now the point here is I left 4, 2 and 8. I don't have 3. So the only thing you have to go higher. So 3, the one higher than 3 is 4. Using 4 instead of 3, you change to 4. 428571. 7, even it's already used, but I left 2 and 8. So 1 higher than 7 is 8. So 857142. Now here 1, I left 2, so it's 92285714. So pretty simple, huh? So what I do here is when I have a number that I don't want to arrange them. For example, if I want to find any number, let's say I don't know this number here. Okay, don't know this. Let's say I want to find 514. So my job is looking for 114 first. If I don't remember 114, I start with 17 first. 17 is 0.142857 bar. In this case, 114 is actually divided by 2 because 0.07 divided by 2 divided by 2 equals 14. And you notice that it starts from here repeated 714285. So I got this number right now. So 514 times 5 from here equals 35. And notice that 3 is here. So start from 5 is 571428 is the answer. That's how you solve it without writing down this anyway. Alright, hope this will be helpful. So we stop here.